Let's talk for a moment about something many women carry but rarely say out loud. There is a kind of pain that doesn't always show on the outside. It smiles, it shows up, it keeps going, but deep within it is still bleeding. And the truth is, many women have learned how to function without ever truly healing. There is a thirst rising in this season, not for performance, not for approval, but for true healing. Because a woman who heals herself doesn't just change her life, she changes everything connected to her. Please understand, ladies, that healing requires something many people avoid: honesty. It requires a moment where you stop and say, I can't keep bleeding in silence. Healing begins when you choose rest over resentment, truth over performance, wholeness over hustle. Because the pain you don't process does not disappear, it transfers into your words, into your relationships, into your decisions, and sometimes even into the next generation. To all the strong, beautiful women out there, let's talk. I want to ask you something. What part of you needs care before you keep giving to everyone else? What wound are you finally ready to name? And what legacy are you building, not just for others, but for yourself? Please note that healing is not weakness. Healing is not selfish. Healing is sacred because when a woman heals, she doesn't just rise, she lifts generations. You don't have to rush the process, but you do have to begin. Because the life you desire requires the healing you have been avoiding. This is Marilyn Mars Odyssey, where every conversation is part of the journey. More love, more light.